I'm Anna, I'm the project manager for the Blue Heart project and I work within the flood risk management team. What I particularly love about my job is being able to dictate the direction it goes in. If I want to go down to Eastbourne to scope out some of the areas, I can kind of get on with doing that. Through my role specifically, I want to bring new creative technologies such as natural flood risk management, the use of telemetry and flood forecasting and doing things a bit differently. The core aim of the project is to make the communities of Eastbourne and Southern Wealdon resilient to a climate change future, both raising the awareness of flood risk within communities, but secondly we're working quite closely with the project partners, so working together with those partners to create a holistic approach to managing water levels in the catchment and using that through installing innovative technology. I'm quite a creative and innovative person. I like coming up with new ideas. My managers are very open and welcoming and accommodating of those new ideas. I've always had a love for geography, so I studied geography at Newcastle University, and I've always had a fascination with disaster reduction and wanting to help communities when a flood occurs and how to prevent that from happening again. I wanted to learn a bit more about it, so I just organised a one-on-one chat with my current team leader. So we just had an informal chat just about opportunities in the team, what work we do. So that was my approach to finding out more, and I really encourage it to others. I think our team's really open and friendly and more than welcome to have these conversations. What input you put in is exactly what you get out of it.